Make a great choice today with the 2016 INFINITI QX50. The INFINITI QX50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the QX50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The QX50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.